In this tutorial, I will do an extensive review of the Best Spinner's Synonym window. This is probably the most important window in the software, as this is where most of the manual spinning functions are located. And it is also where you will clean up your automated spins. For these reasons, mastering the Synonym window is key to your spinning success. For a complete review of how to manually spin your articles, please refer to the Working with the Spinner series. Automated spinning will be covered later in this Going Deeper tutorial series. The Synonym window lists all of the available synonyms for words and phrases, sorting them based on usage popularity. The most used synonyms by the software's extensive user base are listed first, which makes the Best Spinner's thesaurus more intelligent than a canned listing of all possible synonyms. Highlighted text are synonyms that make up spin-formatted content, also called spin tags. Clicking on these synonyms will include them in the spin tags, while clicking on the highlighted ones will remove them. Removing synonyms this way is useful when cleaning up automated spins. Now, if there are synonym variations that you would like to use but that are not already listed in the Best Spinner's thesaurus, you can manually include them in your spins in this Add field. We see that the synonym has been added in the Synonym window as well as within my spin tags. Just as easily as manually adding synonyms, you can also remove synonyms from this list. To do so, right-click the word in question and a removal message will appear. Click on it to confirm removal. Now there are features in the Synonym window designed to make manual spinning and post-spinning cleanup faster. While manually working on your article, make sure you make full use of spin groups to speed up your spinning. Spin groups are synonym groupings made up of the most popular synonyms used by the Best Spinner's extensive user base. Adding and removing entire groups of synonyms is done in just one click. Another feature designed to speed up manual spinning is the Replace All function. As the name implies, you can apply a particular spin tax to all instances of a particular word or phrase. For instance, as I work on my article, I come across the phrase dog training and build my spin tax as I normally would. But I can go one step further by clicking on the Replace All button, and all instances of the phrase dog training are now immediately transformed into the spin selection I just made. Again, a great way to improve spinning efficiency. An extension of the Replace All concept is Save Favorite. If you have found a great synonym grouping that you wish to reuse in future article spinnings, you can save that grouping by hitting the Save Favorite button. I'll talk more about creating, managing, and using favorites in a dedicated tutorial, which you can view later in this video series. And here are additional features to help optimize your spinning of words and phrases. Tick on the alphabetical box to sort synonyms alphabetically. This is very handy if you wish to scan for suitable synonyms in very long synonym lists. Tick the Replace box if you wish to simply rewrite your article and not create spin tags. This will replace original text with one synonym variation only. For more details about this feature, please refer to the Writing an Article video in the Working with the Spinner series. And tick the Spin Skip box to jump over already spin-formatted text. With this checkbox ticked, entire spin variations are skipped, immediately jumping to the next unspun word or phrase. Look how fast I am moving forward through my text, landing directly on the text I need to work on. The Spin Skip box is checked by default. Untick the box to facilitate article window nested spin creation and management. Nested spinning is an advanced spinning technique that will be covered later in this video series. The synonym window is set to the word phrase tab by default, and changing tabs will change the functions available. If you spin sentences and paragraphs, the replace all, save favorite, alphabetical, and spin skip options are no longer relevant and are therefore removed from these tabs. Only the add field remains, and as with words and phrases, you can add as many sentence and paragraph variations to build complex spin tags, which will yield extremely well-spun articles. The add function is also the only option available under the Easy Spin tab, but it is accessed differently than in the other tabs. To manually add synonyms, you need to right-click inside the small synonym window right under its associated word or phrase. A pop-up window appears, prompting you to manually add your synonym. Keep doing this procedure until you have added all the synonyms you want. The last tab in the synonym window is the Nested Spin tab, which allows you to create spins within spins. I created an entire tutorial based on nested spinning, and I invite you to view it in order to deeply spin your content quickly. This concludes this tutorial on understanding the synonym window and its many functions. Please refer back to this video as often as needed to help you master one of the most important components of the best spinner.